Hey everyone, welcome to another gameplay of Fallout 76, and today we are going to review Fasnacht Flag Pole 0 to whatever it is, I'm not sure yet, but today we are going to read the plans. And Fasnacht Flag Pole has been just unlocked in my C.A.M.P building inventory. And flagpole, usually you have a new under a new section here, but I don't have it, so we will look for mist structures. Fasnacht Flag Pole. There are Fasnacht hanging ribbons, flagpole, Fasnacht flagpole.
Hey,
Maybe it's a floor decoration. Fasnacht flagpole. Fasnacht flagpole. It's a ribbon pole. Oh, there it is. So it's under the floor decorations. And I had the Fasnacht ribbon pole, and you go to the right and there's a Fasnacht flag pole. So it's actually like a ribbon pole, it's just a flag pole in this case, and we will gonna stick it somewhere. Let's say I already have an American flag right here, but we could put it up on the corner of this railing, whatever it is. Yes, we put it right there. Fasnacht flagpole, you need 4 cloth and 6 wood to build it. So as you can see, it's a flag up there, and it's some kind of blue flag with these kind of ribbons on the side. It's a blue flag with a white cross on it, and I think it's not metal, it's not a metal pole, it's a wooden pole. So I think that you can make some uniform like building set out of it if you put more of these flagpoles in a row, and you can see it looks great in a blue lighting environment, for example at night or something. You can do some creative things with it. After all, it's a free item. I got the plans, suppose I got the plans when I finished Fasnacht event. So I hope you like this review, and leave the comments below what would you like to see me review in the next video. Thank you for watching.